Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at our selection of side handle teapots and how to use them. If you're interested in premium teaware, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. We normally think of teapots as having a handle in the back, but side handle pots are also popular throughout East Asia. This type of pot was developed to create a more elegant pouring motion compared to standard teapots. Instead of lifting your whole arm to pour, with a side handle teapot, you just need to turn your wrist. This refined motion creates a more serene atmosphere for enjoying your tea and puts more focus on the tea itself. At Red Blossom, we offer a selection of side handle teapots from Taiwan, crafted by master ceramicist Xu Dejia in his prized CELADON glaze. Each teapot is handcrafted and unique, completed with a fire-hardened bamboo handle that contrasts the smooth CELADON. Over time, the teapot will develop a web of craquelure that deepens with each tea you brew. These teapots are all sized around 10 ounces, making them ideal for serving multiple guests. Traditionally, side handle teapots are only designed for right-handed use, but we also offer specially commissioned pots made just for left-handers. Using side handle teapots takes a bit of practice, since the pouring motion is different from a standard teapot. For the best results, we recommend using an arc motion to avoid any dribbling. As you begin to pour, move the teapot backward in a slight arc, then reverse this motion to stop the pour. We recommend pairing these teapots with larger cups or servers to accommodate this motion. To learn more about premium teaware, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.